Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussie's group. I'm Malcolm, your PT coach, and friends, again today is a very happy day for me. I have Namrata with me, one of my favorite students. She recently took the PT academic test and has aced it perfectly. She has got an overall score of 90 out of 90. In speaking, reading and writing, all three she's got a 90. And listening also she's got 88, which is again a band 9 equivalent score. So firstly, many congratulations Namrata. If you could just introduce yourself to your viewers please.
Hi everyone, my name is Namrata. I'm from Bangalore, India. And yeah, as Malcolm said, I got a perfect score of 90 and I'm so excited and happy about it. And actually all thanks to Aussie's group and Malcolm. He guided us really well, and that's why we are where we are right now.
Thank you so much Namrata for being so kind with your words. And I'd also like to ask you, you attended the 2 weeks coaching class, which generally is enough to get a very high score. So how was your experience in the 2 weeks coaching class?
Yeah, I had actually taken PT test before, so I knew it was an easy test to get. To get the required score, but to get an 79 plus in each module, I knew that I would be needing some extra coaching and efforts, because we need to know the tips and tricks.
Right.
That's the reason why we actually came here, and the training that we got for the 2 weeks was actually excellent.
Thank you.
And whatever we wanted to know, our doubts and everything was actually cleared by Malcolm, and all the tips and tricks were actually said to us, which helped me a lot.
Thank you. And friends, you would remember that just few days back, one of our friends, his name is Tejas, even he got a 90 each in his first video itself, so even that was fantastic. Namrata, I'd also like to ask you, now you've got a 90, which very few people manage to get in the real exam. How was your experience of the test, and if there is one thing which you would want to share with the viewers to motivate them, what would be that one thing to get 90?
Okay, so test as it is not something that's so difficult.
Right.
As Malcolm always said in classes, just trust him and blindly and follow what he says. So that's what we did. The only thing that I would like to say to all the viewers is that, and all the test takers, just be confident and make sure that whatever he says, we should just practice and do it. And it's not something that's difficult at all.
That's true.
And if I'm able to get, all of them should be able to get it too.
But I think now she's again being a bit modest, because she's excellent with the English. She's really good with the English. Rarely she got anything wrong even while she was practicing. So yes, she did put in a lot of effort, I'm sure, and that's how she's got the score as well.
I'm actually not being modest. It's just that just trust him blindly and go with what he says, and that shouldn't be a difficulty at all to get a score of 90.
Thank you. And last but not the least, would you like to recommend Aussie's PT coaching to the viewers or the test takers?
Definitely, I'd like to recommend. It's not just because I've got the 90 score. It's because their approach towards teaching and making us get this required score is excellent, and they actually believe in what they say. Their only target is to get 90, 90, 90 and 90.
That's true.
So that's very nice, and I definitely recommend this.
Well, thank you so much Namrata, and just as a small token of our appreciation, we have a small gift for you as well. So many congratulations once again. We're really happy for you. So friends, what are we waiting for? If you want your required score in PT, be it 50, 65, 79 or 90, there's only one name, Aussies. Think PT, think Aussies. Thank you.